before we go into the weather, this is a very important date in the Eyewitness Newsroom. We want to commemorate a very important birthday.
Oh, yes. Coach Mills, who's behind camera 3 right over there.
Happy birthday!
75 years old tonight.
Doesn't look a day over 50
Still
to me.
running camera.
Doesn't even shave yet.
And he spent 60 of those years here, I think.
Absolutely.
I think so.
Just a mere child when he started.
But he'll be retiring soon.
Yes, I know.
How soon, George?
33 days.
33 days.
And he
He's
gets
outta here.
$1.90 for saying that, too.
Sure
Because you're a good station. Yes.
All right, let's take a look at what's happening around the area. We've had a lot of clouds around today, but they're beginning to move out. Finally, southern Maryland and the eastern shore, it's been pretty nice most of the day. Clouds continued from about the Washington over to Dover and north all day long. And out to the west, some late snow flurries did occur.
Were those tears of joy or despair?
Oh, well,
there?
of course.
Oh,
It's
joy,
the
joy,
title.
joy.
It's
I
the
see.
thought. Yes, that's what it is. And it's a big night for fights. Oh.
We'll let you know who won. It's just over in Lang City. Also have some of tonight's Monday Night Thriller for you. Some news from baseball. All kinds of fun stuff here in the AM on a Tuesday morning. Stick with us. Coming right back.